Hey guys, good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com and Santarelli Trading Exchange. Market's getting a nice little pop this morning here after yesterday afternoon's pullback here. So really, we're just going to be cautious here. First 15 minutes, we got a nice climb on Nike, Microsoft here. Baba's taking off again, so we're going to be looking at a few day trades today. I got a few written down here. Baba, Microsoft's one of them. Nike, Tesla is breaking above 800 here. I really want to see that hold above that 800 for the first half hour there. If it does and continues to climb there, I might jump in for a quick day trade. Tesla's at 801.50 a share right now. Let me bring that up on the screen here. As you guys can see, Tesla is at the highs here in the pre-market hours, looking pretty good. We got about 2 minutes until opening bell. Tesla's looking good. Let's take a look at Microsoft chart here. Microsoft 295.61. This one's looking really good here, continuing to hold above that 20-day simple moving average. Yesterday when we got into that trade there, I was telling you guys I was really looking for that, 294 as that stop there. It held that 294 and continuing to climb here. So watch that today, see what we want to do since that expires this week here. Let's see, Square's up over 2%. That might be a good little day trade there. So what I'm going to do right now as the markets are opening, I'm going to adjust my screens here and look at the market movers. So a lot of you guys say, what are you looking at? I like to look at my watch list here every morning. I like to see what's moving. I like to look at whatever earnings came out this morning. Obviously, this morning was fast and all, not too much there. Tomorrow's going to be a decent one with Delta, JP Morgan Chase, and then Thursday morning there we have Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, Domino's, United Health, Morgan Stanley. We got quite a few coming out after the bell there. Then we have Alcoa Friday, Goldman Sachs, PNC, Charles Schwab, JB Hunt. So I like looking at those, seeing what's moving. Square might be a good day trader today, so I'm going to put that one up above here. I was looking at ExxonMobil, some of the oil stocks there, but they're not doing too much yet this morning. So I'm putting Square up here. I have, let's put the other one up over here, Tesla. We got Microsoft. We'll keep Microsoft at the bottom there. Well, this screen here we'll keep at whatever is moving there. I'm going to change these to today 1 minute charts once the opening bell comes. I'm looking to see if there's anything else I want to put on my other screens here. Tesla, we got Baba, we got Square, Microsoft. I want to put one over here. Let's see what else is moving here. Moderna's up nicely. AirBnB's at 172.83. Wow, look at Airbnb today. That is a hell of a climb. Moderna, let's see what Moderna's doing. Moderna might be coming off the bottom there, so I'm going to keep an eye on Moderna. So Moderna, they're applying for their booster shot right now. So, obviously Pfizer already has theirs. Moderna's going to be doing that, so I want to keep an eye on Moderna. So I will put Moderna over here where I have Ford, mRNA, and let me put this screen over here. And there we go. We got Moderna, we got Microsoft, Square, Baba, Tesla, and then whatever we want to put over here. Alrighty, guys, here we go. It's 9:30. Markets are open here. Let's see what we're going to do today. Let's see. Something's not right there with that screen there. Let's see. It's not updating from yesterday yet. That's the problem with E-Trade there. Let me see if I reopen it on top here. Okay, let's put on Microsoft down here. Let me get this screen up. Changing my charts to today 1 minute now. I'm watching Baba, Square. Let me put Square, Moderna. All right, so I got those up now. Let me put, got Microsoft up there. Put Q's up here. All right, we have the Dow up. Let's see here. Dow's up about 31 points. Nasdaq's up 23. S&P's up about 4. Watching Microsoft here, see what we want to do today. If we end below this blue 20 SMA, below 293.50, we're going to be closing out that trade by the end of today. If it doesn't hold there. SPY, it's not showing the accurate balances here yet. See, from yesterday's close, I was at 4,087.34. Right now, 39.73.84 there. So, showing inaccurate numbers there, down 260 for the day when it's really not. Sometimes you just gotta go up to your tools and reopen the account. Let's see, accounts. Let's see, Square. I'm looking at Qs. Everything's just about doing the same here. Qs, Moderna, Tesla, BABA over here. See what we got moving over here. That GWH is still on the run. 1622. There goes Q's getting a climb there. Nice breakout on Q's. There goes Square, Moderna. Everything's getting a nice little pop there. There goes BABA. See what Microsoft's doing here. Microsoft just got a little bounce. BABA's looking good there. That's a huge candle on BABA. BABA, Moderna, Square's at new highs of the day right now. James said Ford's moving. Tesla, not really doing anything just yet there. I want to see that break out again. That's below 800 again. BABA, new highs of the day on BABA. Might do a day trade here on BABA if that breakout continues. I'm watching Microsoft. Q's, we're just at about the highs of the day. Got to a double top there from 930. Q's are on the climb again. Nice breakout on Q's, so we'll probably see Microsoft continue to climb. Good morning, Paula. There goes BABA, Square. Both of those are at new highs of the day. Q's are at new highs of the day. There goes Q's. So see how it says we're down 160 bucks at 40.82 there? We're actually just about higher than where we were yesterday, so I don't know why that's showing like that. There goes BABA again. BABA's taking off. See what's moving on the market movers here. Visa, not doing much yet. Under Armour is going to be a good one to trade. Tesla, 800 bucks. Tesla's still hovering right around that 800. There we go. There goes Tesla now. 803. What a pop there. 804 on Tesla. Nice climb there on Tesla, guys. That GWH is now up 74%. Remember I was talking about that in pre-market here? That's having a hell of a run there. Tesla still on the run, guys. Looking good there on Tesla. Let me see what's going on with this position tab here. Let me pull up a new one. Okay, it's still showing that. All right, there goes Tesla again. Watching Moderna. What time is it? We're waiting until about 9:45 to make some day trades here. Now, cash available for day trades is about 3,400, so we got plenty of purchasing power here for some day trades. There goes Tesla breaking out again. 807 on Tesla. Airbnb is still ripping higher here. Look at Airbnb, 175.50. Salesforce up about 2%. Nike up 2. Square still climbing up 2.5%. Tilray, Moderna, Lucid. Let's see what Lucid's doing there. Holding that 22.50. Tesla is finally getting that breakout above that resistance. Let's see, where's that next target going to be? Probably around 900. That starts to climb. Let me see the option chain here. I'm watching Microsoft up above there. That's going with the Qs. Quite a bit there. If we made a Tesla trade, you know, that's going to take up a third of our purchasing power. There goes Tesla again there, new highs. Thinking about doing a Moderna trade in the main account, maybe about 10-15,000. I'd probably go out to the December Expo with that. $30 a contract. That's going to be $3 grand a contract there. There goes Baba taking off nicely. Big breakout on Baba. $165s are going for about $3.55 there. Let's see, 3-month daily. Could target that 170. Just want to give it some time here so we don't see that pop and drop like we saw yesterday. There goes Moderna taking off again. Tesla's ready for another run. Love to get into a Tesla trade, maybe even an out of the money vertical spread on Tesla. Pretty expensive there for that out of the money spread. Let's see there. There goes Tesla again. I want to see that Microsoft pop above that 295 here. Skyjack, what Tesla trade do you have? You're up 60% on. Not liking that Microsoft candle right there. See it 3-month daily. It's still holding above that blue 20, but not happy with that candle right there. Let's see what it does here. I'll just get that order ready in case I'm going to sell it here. 295s are going for about 215. All right, market's pulling back a little bit here from those highs. Watching Microsoft. If Microsoft pulls back anymore here, I'm going to get rid of that Microsoft trade while we're hovering around that $4,000 in the trade challenge account here. Just have that ready to go. Everything's getting some red candles here. Square, Moderna, Tesla, Baba, Microsoft, NVIDIA, 208.50. I'm going to get rid of that Microsoft trade here. E-Trade is not, it's giving me this thing for a minute. Generating order preview. Their platform's been slow the past couple of days. This is what I mean about watching your brokerage firm here. Look at how I'm trying to place this trade here, and it's saying generating order preview. Well, our SPY puts are in the green now. I'm gonna have to close this trade out on my cell phone. It's not that generating order preview is taking way too long there. All right, I'm out of Microsoft at $1.74. What is going on with this platform here? Let me see if it's going to allow me to. Just want to see something quick if I'm going to have problems or if I have to restart it. Let me just see what it says here. Generating order preview. I'm going to have a problem with that all day if I don't reset this now. So let me just do this. I'm going to close out of E-Trade here quick and restart this. There's no way you could trade like that. One sec, guys. Skyjack, it's been having nothing but problems lately. Let me just take this screen off here so I don't share my passwords here. All right, let me close out of E-Trade, reopen it, exit and save. Skyjack, you holding on to that Tesla call, or are you selling that? All right, coming back up here. Let's see. Let's see if E-Trade Pro is going to give us a problem again here. There we go. That's much better now. Let's see what we want to do with that SPY put, and then we can start day trading here again. SPY starting to climb a little bit off that pullback. She breaks above that 434.50. I'll get rid of that SPY put there and look for some day trades here. Let's look at Tesla. That one's breaking out again here. New highs of the day on Tesla. There we go. All right, so from closing out that Microsoft trade just now, I took a loss on that of $295.45 in the trade challenge account. SPY's getting right up to that 10 now. Microsoft just got up to that 10, pulled back sharply with that candle. Tesla's still on the climb near an 810. What time are we at now? We're at about 9:50, so we're primed now for some day trades. Okay, let me get the screen on for you guys. Let's see. There we go. Let's go down on a minute chart here and look at some of these while we're watching the markets. Amazon starting to climb off the lows there. Baidu starting to climb. Facebook still retracing there. Baba's starting to get a little climb. Let me get rid of my SPY put here. That was our hedge we picked up. All right, I'm out of that SPY put there as well. And now we're going to be able to start with some day trades here. Square. Nice climb on Square here. Looking for something good here to day trade. I wanted to trade SPY today. So if we get that 1020 cross on SPY, we break above that 436. Probably going to be jumping into some calls there for a day trade. I like doing those day trades, quick in and out. Look to make a quick $300-400 today, be at new highs in the trade challenge account. Tesla's starting to pull back there too. Let's see what Tesla does. Watching SPY here. SPY I'd enter above like 435.75 to 436 there. Let's see, Dwayne said apps continues to look strong. Let's take a look at apps. That's looking great. You got that a couple of weeks ago, didn't you, Dwayne? I'm watching that 1020 cross coming up on SPY. Skyjack's out of Tesla for a $900 profit. Nice job, Skyjack. Let's see, Sophie. Sophie's getting another nice climb there. That's a good one. What do you think? Some Sophie calls here? Let's see what they're going for. I went at a big move yesterday. 1850 going for about 63 cents. It's not too bad. It's not bad. I might pick something up there with you guys on that. I'll post the earnings calendar in the trade room here for you guys. There goes SPY pulling back sharply there. Let's see what Sophie's going to do. Did you guys pick up that Sophie trade you were talking about yesterday in the trade room, or did you guys hold off on that? Ford got a nice climb today, $15.40 a share, up 2%. Thinking about picking up a couple calls on this, especially with financials coming out this week. Moderna pulled back sharply there. Wow, down about $7 from the high on Moderna. Skyjack, I think I'm going to pick up a few with you on that one. I like that Sophie idea. See if we can pick up 10 here. There we go. I just picked up 10 Sophie calls there in the trade challenge account at 59 cents each. Hold that one into the bank earnings. Let me get this one sent out here. There goes Tesla getting back up to that 810. Let's look and see what they're doing on. Let's see here. Investors Business Daily is buying First Solar now. FSLR. Let's take a look at FSLR there. I'm holding on to Sophie going into tomorrow there. That's going to be a catalyst with the banks. First Solar, 6-month daily. Looking pretty good there. They're picking up quite a bit of that. See, I'm watching Tesla here. I'm watching these areas here. It got up to that 810, and now a little bit lower of a high here from this one. So if it breaks above that recent high here on that little climb, it might break that 810. If she pulls back here and drops below this area, she might come back down to that 802.50. Skyjack took his profits on that one, so that's good. Let's see, Karen says, what do you think of Plug? Let's take a look at Plug.
It's going to take some time. I mean, do they have the pilots that they're going to need for the holiday season? Yeah, I'm sure they probably have enough pilots. But are they able to add as many flights as they would like to with the pilots that they have right now?
Not looking bad, Karen.
The same number of pilots that they had pre-pandemic.
35 could be a nice short-term target there within the next 3 to 6 months. Watching that Sophie there. Sophie's down to that 20 SMA on a today 1 minute chart. Down about 13% since jumping into Sophie there. That's going into bank earnings tomorrow. Let's see, Sophie. Microsoft SPY's pulling back now again. Can look for it. Now we have a swing trade on now. So we have the swing trade and we can look for a day trade now. So that's the goal. Let's take a look at that today 1 minute chart on SPY. I'd be looking for a break below 434 on SPY possibly. Let's take a look. 13th.
Along with NIH data on what happens when you mix brands for the booster. So this morning, what we've seen so far are the company documents from Moderna and Johnson & Johnson supporting their applications for boosters. Let's go through what Moderna has presented first. They are applying for a half dose.
Dow's down about 71 points now. Thinking about jumping into these SPY puts here. If we break below that support here for the day.
Programs you get from the first two shots. That boosts antibodies by 15-fold compared with pre-boost levels. They also say you get slightly
Everything pulling back sharply here.
the sort of side effects that come along with the shot if you give a half dose. And giving a half dose, they say, would increase worldwide supply of the vaccine. And so what they're asking for essentially is for the FDA to consider giving that booster a half dose for the same population for whom the Pfizer-BioNTech booster is cleared. So we'll see how the FDA is looking at that later this morning, most likely. Now, Johnson & Johnson also submitting its documents ahead of its Friday advisory committee meeting. Essentially, what they showed is that 2 months out, which we saw from clinical trial data a couple weeks ago, you increase the efficacy of that shot to 94%.
John, inflation is definitely going to be an issue, and that's going to continue to climb. There's no question about that.
They say if you get that further out at 6 months, it is
That's why I'm really holding off on those larger swing trades we usually make here. You guys know, a lot of times we're making $15,000, $25,000 trades. You see now, we're waiting, watching the markets here. We're focusing in on some day trades, focusing in on the trade challenge account here.
people maybe want to get the booster at 2 months to increase that protection early, but for other folks, 6 months could give you longer lasting, higher protection. So we'll see again what the FDA is looking at
Definitely going to be a concern, John.
today or tomorrow, along with the mix and match data from NIH, which I'm very excited to see. Finally, guys, just pivoting over to CureVac, a little more movement.
See how we have that 10 crossing below that 20 now in Sophie here. So if that breaks below that support there around 1825, we might see that continue to pull back further. So I'm watching that here, even though that's a swing trade going into earnings here.
Precipitously after we first saw the results on that
Let's see what else is moving on the watch list here.
vaccine, about 48% effective.
Nike pulled back quite a bit from the highs. Same thing as Square. Schlumberger up another 2.5% today.
Second generation GWH, so Smith Fine, really starting to see this market start to evolve and who the winners, at least initially, are going to be. But the next generation
Tesla looks like it's ready for a big break down there. You guys jumping into some Tesla puts? Break below that 802.50 would be a nice entry for some puts there. Microsoft is pulling back sharply again there too.
the 1-2 punch, having the protection from vaccines
Tilray, NBev, PBR.
but having the option of an antiviral drug next year, or perhaps even multiple drugs, waiting for Pfizer and Tia and Roche as well to present results over the next coming months, could really change how we live with COVID-19. And so there's a hope that there will be enough of this.
I like that square today. 1 minute chart here, and if we can notice this one, I like how I'm seeing this here.
All right, thanks, Rob. Thank you. Let's turn to the broader markets. Major averages trying for their first day of gains in 3 days, although right now modestly lower. All of the major averages about the size.
If that broke below that, that'd pull right back down to that 234. Tesla's still pulling back there. Sophie's hanging right around that 50 SMA on a today chart. Dow's down about 49 now. Nasdaq's down about 10, so not too much selling pressure coming in. Just choppiness. Ford's still on the climb there. Ford's looking good. Now see how we made that, what, $590 trade on Sophie? And now watch this Sophie chart. I want you guys to look at this. Now this is a good little reflection point right here. So Sophie, we got in, what time did we get in Sophie there? Let me see in the trade room there. $10.02. Okay, so $10.02 we got into Sophie right there. Okay, now look at that. From about a 20-cent pullback that had. Sophie only pulled back about 20 cents there and that's about a what 27% difference in the account there. You know, so you can see how that little fluctuation there, that little retracement back down to support at that 1830 so far, holding that 50. You know, that's about a 27% retracement there on that trade. So, you know, you got to mentally prepare yourself for that volatility on those shorter term trades there, weeklies. I'm watching SPY get a little boost here. Just seeing choppiness so far today. SPY's getting a little climb. We'll see if it breaks above that 434.75. If not, she should just continue to break down the rest of the day. Sophie got a little climb there. SPY just got a huge candle there. Nice little breakout on SPY. Nice candle there on SPY. Let's take a look at SPY, even though Sophie's running. Huge breakout on Square. Food prices at the highest levels in a decade. You know, the more they keep talking about stuff like that, the more choppy the market's going to get. Putting fear in people. Or at least fear in the markets, I should say. There goes Square again. Sophie's getting another little climb. Karen says, shit, I bought some chicken yesterday. About lost my shit when I seen the prices. Karen, you know what? I feel the same way. I went to Publix, not yesterday, I think it was the day before. A package of chicken was 41 bucks. I said, holy, you know, like, wow. $41 for a package of, that was like one of the ones with those 6 big boneless, skinless chicken breasts in it. But man, I think they were going for what? I think it was like $6.99, $7.99 a pound. SPY's breaking down sharply here, guys. I'm probably gonna end up picking up some SPY puts for next week's expo here, just to have as a hedge with this market continuing to pull back here. Let's see, what expo would that be? The 22nd for next week. Could even get something shorter like the 18th, and I'm gonna go with the 18th. The 20th would be fine. See what the markets do here. See if SPY makes new lows of the day. If it does, I may jump into those. Got about 2,800 for purchasing power for some day trades today. Watching SPY right here, seeing what it's going to do. Right around that 433.50. $194 times 7. That'd be about a 13.58 trade if I got 7 contracts. 13. So I'd still have about 15 left for day trading. It's been a slower pullback from the morning, since the morning bell here. You can see we're getting up to that red 50, pulling back, up to that red 50, pulling back, up to that red 50, pulling back. We'll see what it does now if it tries to break that 434.75, or if it's going to break below that 433.50 on SPY.
For a number of years now. But the fact that the bank itself is and has been rolling out products and offerings to its clients speaks to what? Where are we in the cycle?
Let's see there. Quantum says MGM, wow, hotels, Las Vegas, Sands, LVS.
Which of course means that he's personally, it sounds like at least, missed out on the last 5 or 6x that
Coca-Cola is a good, that's a good defensive play there, Quantum.
Morgan actually has been a different story for some time now.
I'm watching, seeing what SPY's doing. It's just been choppy all day here. Really not doing anything major yet. Only down about 0.08% on SPY. That's Sophie. See how quick that moves? Down 35% right now. But if we look at Sophie, it's really only about, 40 cents off the highs there from this morning. 2% off the highs.
Well, I have to be honest, and I have to say that the financial industry players that are in deepest and are emerging as the biggest winners are not actually the JP Morgans or the Goldman Sachs of the world, but rather the startups that have come into this space and they have not waited on JP Morgan to enter the custody space. Coinbase has been working on that. BitGo has been working on that. Anchorage has been working on that for years. And across exchanges, OTC desks, and so forth, those are really the players that I would focus
Let's see what the implied move is for Sophie this week.
in terms of who's servicing venture capital players, who's servicing the corporates in the space, and also who's servicing even those clients that JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs have had for a long time, the hedge funds, and so forth.
Wow, it's got a 20% implied move from now until November 12th.
So that makes for a really interesting dynamic in this space.
Would it still be accurate to say that blockchain technology, this idea of decentralized finance, this is going to be very disruptive to the banks and other more traditional, financial firms? Or is this a situation where the technology is here and everybody's getting on board?
It certainly feels like it's trending towards everybody getting on board. When you talk about decentralized finance, so some of these new kind of emerging applications that we've seen built out on the list.
Nice candle on Sophie there. Let's see, SPY. SPY daily chart. That looks ugly on the SPY daily. So that's why I'm watching the today chart, seeing if we're going to break below that 433.50. If we do, I'll make a little bit larger of a trade on some SPY puts on a further breakdown. Because if we break below that 433.50, we're going to be below that 10-day simple moving average. So we could look for a quick drop, possibly down to about 428 again. Especially with all the numbers coming out this week. Inflation, we got unemployment numbers, continued claims, we got earnings this week. We got a lot of events here that could move the markets.
A lot of retail money. It's a decent amount of venture capital money that can take that kind of risk, but we're not yet seeing meaningful inflows from the likes of hedge funds and so forth. But if you ask me, I think it's probably just a matter of time until that infrastructure.
Dow's down about 59. Nasdaq's only down 8 points, so really nothing major on Nasdaq yet. Dow too just down about 0.18%. Schlumberger's up over 2. Tesla 803. AMD 105.63.
I think that's right, and I think it was that same research piece that pointed out $17 billion in capital just from venture capital alone pouring into startups, pouring into assets in the cryptocurrency space in the first half of this year. And when you look at that trajectory of growth over the years, that's more than threefold what it was in the first half of 2020. And you look
Nice
at
candle there on
asset class,
Sophie.
and it's still only a $2 trillion asset.
See if it starts to break out here.
Is nothing
If it's going to fail at that 20. I'm watching SPY here. SPY's still getting up to that 50. Notice how we were talking about it getting up to that 50 and failing. It's doing that same thing. So you see getting up to that 50, failing.
Follow the money trail. Jim, always great to get your thoughts. Thanks for joining us today. Thanks very much.
As we go to break, watch AirBnB today. Jumping as cloud upgrades to outperform. They argue that the pandemic-fueled shift to alternative lodging like Airbnb will be permanent, and they take their target from 160 all the way up to 220. There's a lot more ahead. Stay with us.
It was looking like Microsoft wanted to break out there, getting right up to that 293.75, but it's failing there so far.
The pursuit is on. The pursuit of top performance and leisure, with deep expertise to outthink across multiple asset classes. Actively managing investments in the world
SPY's continuing to break down there a bit.
at scale, with the resources
Now you notice what SPY does,
into countries.
most of these other stocks follow. And if you look at Q's and Diamond ETF, just doing about the same thing. Whatever the major ETFs are doing, the other stocks are following suit. Tesla's flattening out there for the past, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 8 minutes. Now remember, I have this order ready to go up above here. These SPY puts, 7 contracts, October. I didn't want to get the 13th expo. Let me clear that out here. I was looking at the 20th. If we start to break down here on SPY, that's what I'd probably pick up, the October 20th, which is next Wednesday, and we could still pick up Fridays. The 15th. Let's see what they're going for. They're going for just about $1 less. So I'd rather have those extra few days there. Pay that extra $1. Tesla's starting to climb now. So watch this. I need to go through a couple of charts here. So Tesla on a today 1 minute chart, getting a little climb there. Now we can see Sophie here as well. Sophie just got a nice little pop there. If she breaks above that 1840, we might get another nice climb on Sophie there. She's almost green for the day, only down about 2 cents. Only down 1 penny now on Sophie, and she's almost green. There we go. Sophie's green for the day. We'll see if the market starts to climb here again. We got that 1020 cross coming up on SPY. I like how it's consolidating. Just got to watch that closely, because whatever SPY does, the general market's going to follow. Well, let's see here. I'd like to see SPY break that 434.50 area. Get that continued run. Sophie's getting a nice climb there. That's coming right back. That was just down $230, only down 118 on that now, 19%. Once we get back up to around that 1860, we'll probably see some profits. There's a big candle on SPY now. SPY is getting a nice climb there. So we're seeing these other stocks get a nice boost there. There goes Sophie. That thing was just down 2% for the day. Now it's up a 1/4%. So just watching that. Let's take a look at Microsoft. I'm watching that one above there. Just got consolidation all morning here. So she breaks above that. That'd be a nice entry there. Let's see. Tesla's looking good. 1020 crosses coming up on Tesla. There goes Square. Square's starting to climb there again. Looks like SPY wants to climb here. If SPY could get a good run here, that'd be nice. There goes Sophie again. Sophie's on the climb. Only down 16% now on Sophie. There we go. see SPY break that 434.75. I'm watching SPY because if SPY starts to pull back, Sophie's going to pull back with it. So I'm watching SPY over on the right here because I really want to see SPY break that. I really want to see SPY break that 434.75. There it goes. It's starting to get right up to that 434.75. And a red candle right back down there on SPY. See how Tesla did the same thing there as well with SPY. Sophie will probably do the same thing. Sophie will probably get a red candle here. SPY just had a big red candle right down to that 1020. There goes Square. A nice climb there on Square, breaking above that resistance. Right around that 237.50. Want to see that SPY climb here. Let's see SPY on it today, 1 minute. I want to see it hold 434. Should get some really good volatility this week with earnings starting, so be ready for those day trades this week. Sophie's looking ready to break out again here. That's looking good. I want to see SPY break out. Tesla's looking good. I'm watching Square. Square's in breakout momentum. SQ today, 1 minute. Candle above previous candle's body here. Nice climb there on Square. So far, SPY's holding that 1020. Tesla getting a little climb there. Skyjack said he's back in Tesla. What'd you pick up on Tesla there, Skyjack? There goes Tesla on the climb again, 807.53. That's funny. Look at Skyjack. Look at Tesla and Sophie charts side by side there today, 1 minute. They're similar, exactly similar. It's funny because I have both of them on a 1 minute chart, one right on top of the other there. There goes Tesla climbing again. 805 1050s he got on Tesla. Let's see. Tesla 815, 805s, about 1350, 1340. Nice green candle there on SPY. Let's see if that's going to hold up. There we go. Let's see that breakout here on SPY. Tesla's still on the climb. Nice climb there on Tesla. Those Tesla calls are going for about 14.20 now. Got a nice little gain there already. There, Skyjack. Nice job on that.
And there's going to be a continuing grind, we believe, of improved results as we go forward over the next year. And banks are probably about 20 to 30% valued relative to market where they've historically been.
SPY again got right up to that 434.75. I've been watching that right onto the chart to the right of this one. Today, 1 minute, got right up to that 434.75 so far. So I'm waiting for it to break above that or below that, 434 area. We'll see what happens first here.
And we can talk about record M&A and what that means for the investment banking sector.
Sophie's right at that 10.
M&A within the sector itself. Does that continue?
Absolutely. We measure M&A in the banking industry as a percentage of the entire industry. It's been running around 5% with historical numbers been about 3%. So there was a deal announced today in the industry, the regional banking industry. Our view is a couple of things. Scale appears to be working. The bigger banks have become more profitable in many cases, and COVID has changed everything. Our view is that the forces that were at work pre-COVID only accelerated with the pandemic. So this whole talk about fintech gaining traction, digital engagement with clients, it feels to me like it's been pulled forward by years. And so banks understand that, and they intend to compete with the bigger banks as well as with the fintech sector. And I think that's part of the reason why they're looking for scale.
Tom, I mean, you've been positive for some time, and as we pointed out, it's been great to have been. But, I do wonder what, if anything, would change your opinion, given that long-term record you have of being so positive.
Well, so let me address
I need to see SPY have that move here. It's just been sideways for the past, 40 minutes? 50 minutes. You have to remember too, when once about 11 o'clock comes, we might see some further selling pressure coming in again, like we saw yesterday. Everything's starting to pull back again here, so gonna get that SPY put ready just in case we start selling off going into the lunch hour. Might do something like the October 13th. I'd rather go with the 15th though. Let's see the price difference there for that. 434 is going for 2. Probably go with the 15th there. That gives us an extra little catalyst for Thursday. 434.
the balance sheet is as strong as it's been in 70 or 80 years. The regulatory impact of post-Dodd-Frank has helped a lot in terms of bringing investors' friend in terms of credit quality, capital, and liquidity. And so, and look, I also believe that COVID's going to create a bigger gap between the winners and the losers. So we might say we're bullish. It doesn't mean we're bullish on all the companies. There will be some that will be winners and some that will be losers. But I think that the trends, since we've got a net interest margin that's the worst it's been from 1951, hopefully now we're going to start to bottom off that and we'll see some improved results for revenue growth.
Hey, finally, Tom, there's no headline like that Jamie doesn't like Bitcoin headline. How has his comment resonated around the street today?
I have to tell you, we're still figuring it out. I get that
Watching Sophie, I want to see that break that 1850. It keeps getting right up to that 1850 and it's not breaking through it yet. If SPY could break that 434.75, we should see Sophie break that resistance at 1850. Here comes a pullback here on that candle.
the regulators are only still gearing up. We haven't seen most of their plans because I think they're still developing them. So while cryptocurrencies have got a lot of traction, an incredible amount of traction, my view is there still is a lot of regulation that's yet to come.
Well, tomorrow's going to be a big morning. It always is. Thanks for priming it for us, Tom. Good to see you. Promise you great.
Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Well, let's turn to the ongoing supply chain issues pressuring the ship operators and ocean carriers. Our friend Colin is taking a closer look.
Let's see, I might get some SPY puts in the main account here. Sophie right back up to that 1850. Let's see if she breaks it. Watching Spy here. If Spy could break that 434.75, definitely would have a nice run. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Tesla got a nice candle there. Square, Microsoft, everything got a nice candle. Waiting for that Sophie to break that 1850. Come on, what you waiting for?
Frank Holland, thank you. Still to come. We'll talk deflation.
Tesla, let's see Tesla hold that 10 there.
Consumers with global prices, food prices.
Square got a nice climb. Microsoft just climbed what? $1 in 2 minutes there. There goes Tesla. Nice breakout on Tesla. Skyjack, what percentage are you up on Tesla now? You got it in good timing there. Isn't that crazy with Sophie there? My eyes are just like fixated on that chart. Look at how the candles, the wicks, and the bars get right up to that 1850 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 candles there. It's like that. It's like crossing above that 1850 is just, you know, too much for it to do there. There we go. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what Spy's doing there. Nothing yet.
We dive into a bullish market trend tied to earnings ahead of the kickoff to the season. That story and more on creativation.cnbc.com. What's wrong on the street? Ahead.
Is your advisor giving you incomplete advice? At Creative Planning, CFPs, CPAs, and estate attorneys work together to make sure plans are comprehensive. All the expertise, all the advice you need, all in-house. Why not give your wealth a second look?
It's another day, and anything can happen. Only Comcast Business's secure network solutions give you the power of SD-WAN and advanced security integrated on our Active Core platform, so you can control your network from anywhere. Comcast Business, powering possibilities.
The world needs now is people. People who see threat a little bit differently. So it takes less fuel to bring people together. And make faraway places feel a little closer. With engines that power planes more efficiently. Because seeing a better connected world isn't far in the future. We're building it now.
Spy is just got a trend higher there. I mean, I like it. Just a slow climb there. One of the most boringest mornings I've had here in a while. Not doing much yet. I'll probably stay live later. I'll end YouTube, stay live on Zoom with you guys.
Right now, as we talk today, it's really we got up about
Got nothing going on today.
last year, and so we're seeing about 8% inflation right now inside of the beef category specifically. The good news is I think now Thanksgiving we are able to get all of our turkeys back in here.
Nice job, Steven. Up 60% on his Ford calls. Let's see what Ford's doing down there. Ford's up almost 3%, $15.50 a share. Nice, Steve. Nice job. Man, that's Sophie still right up to that 1850.
Yeah, I mean, customers are very well aware. I mean,
That's just consolidating there for a bit. Let's see if SPY starts to climb here at 434.75. We've been talking about it all morning. Let's see. Schlumberger up about 3%. Square 2.19. Nike's climbing again off the lows. Salesforce is looking good, 154. Petrobras and Brer back at 19 bucks.
If you could cite that was one factor across your different product lines that your vendors are citing to you as a reason for higher costs, what would it be?
You know, in the past, it was all about the input costs.
Take a look at Prague 3 minute and 1 minute. There's a 1 minute. That's looking great on a 1 minute there, Captain. Where'd you pick this one up at? Where'd you find this one? 3 minute looks great. 3 month daily. That's a nice looking chart there, Captain. Let's see what they're saying about it. Research, analysts, research and reports.
In terms of foot traffic into the stores, are you seeing across your different markets, are you seeing further normalization in terms of people coming into the stores, or has there been more of a secular shift towards e-commerce type?
They got a target on it of about 350. High $5, low $2. Nice breakout on SPY there. That's not bad, Captain. What'd you do with that? You pick up any shares?
Cooking together and discovering how much fun that is and how much healthier they can actually be by controlling portions and using great ingredients.
Although there's still a lot of folks who are skeptical that it'll walk around.
They actually have options on it too there, Captain. I like that.
Given the fact that it's historically a relatively low margin business, how would you push back on that thesis?
Yeah, I would say look at Asia. I would say look at Europe. Look at some of the other countries that went out omni-channel before the United States did. And you know, we're fortunate being part of ABNB as a global retailer that we get to see those trends up close and personal. And so we know.
Anyone else making any other trades in the trade room there? You guys watching anything? Looking at the watch list here, seeing Boeing's got a little climb happening. I'm watching that one up above. Boeing's up about $2 today. Watching Sophie just get right up to that 1850. Tilray's got a nice little climb happening, up about 3%. Still ugly on a daily chart though.
Yeah, well, what we've seen come out of the federal government has created more questions than answers, and that's the reason why, you know, I'm still thinking.
Ford's looking great there, Steven. You still in that Ford trade?
I think they're saying
Or did you close that out for that 60%?
listen, I'm pro-vaccine personally. I'm vaccinated. My wife is. Our boys will be when the ages come out, and a large number of our teammates have chosen to vaccinate as well. And we'll always comply with whatever it is.
Salesforce broke that 275. Skyjack locked in those Tesla profits. Perfect timing there.
Begins at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. We'll be right back.
And that SPY needs to start moving here. Not doing much. There we go. There goes Sophie. Look at that candle on Sophie there. Nice breakout on Sophie. Nice climb. Almost at the highs of the day now on Sophie on that candle. Bill, you got a 12% gain on Sophie? That's a nice little breakout there. Let's see her break that 1860 now. If she got up to $19 today, I'd probably lock in some profits. Definitely possible. Dwayne said he's been in GM for a while. GM's been doing well. Let's see what GM's doing there. That's a nice breakout there. I mean, that one's one that's going to get back up to that 62.50 to 65 relatively soon. I think that's a great opportunity to pick up GM still. But you got to go with a further out expo on this one. I wouldn't do anything short term. I'd go something 3 months out. December, January, that'd be perfect timing. Dwayne has November. There goes Sophie again. Wow, nice job, Dwayne. 170% gain. What day did you get in that? There we go. There goes Sophie. Another big breakout on Sophie. Nice climb on Sophie there. Got right back up. Look at SPY pulling back here, guys. That's a big red candle on SPY pulling back. Steven, could you hear me? Should be able to hear me. There we go. There goes Sophie again. Let's see, what time is it? 10:55. If SPY starts pulling back there, I definitely want to take advantage of that. There we go. We're green on Sophie, guys. We were down $250 on Sophie, and now we are in the green on that trade. That just shows, you know, like, I mean, some days it's just a stressful day where you get that choppiness. Let's see if we could get, I want to get over 4,200 today. I think we could. There goes Sophie. What a breakout on Sophie. Wow. New highs of the day on Sophie, guys. Continuing to break out there. Getting up to 1870. Nice run there. Nice climb. I was thinking that, you know, we could possibly see an easy target on that of 20 bucks. If we see some good earnings this week coming out, that gets up to $20, you know, I mean, that's going to be worth $1,500 then, so we'll make $1,000 profit on that if we get up to 20 bucks. That'll be a nice gain. So that'll take the trade challenge account right up to $5,000, you know what I mean? I was telling you guys yesterday we're looking for something to get up to around $5,000 this week. So if Sophie gets up to that $20, which if you look at a 3-month daily here, I mean, yesterday it was just, you know, yesterday was $16.50. It climbed $2. So, you know, an extra $1.32 here. That's not bad there. We could definitely be looking for that. I think that should have an easy $20 target there. Might even get up to 21, depending on how volatile this week is. All right, I'm going to get off of YouTube now. I'm going to stay on Zoom here. So if you guys want to come join us at breakingchartalerts.com, come join us here. You guys could go to breakingchartalerts.com. It'll take you to our homepage. If you want to join, you go to membership pricing plans down here. You can check out the plans that we offer. And just go to membership pricing plans and you come down here and you guys put in your coupon code there and sign up for whatever you'd like. Pro Trader gives you access to the afternoon trade session. Elite includes all the classes in the education section along with text alerts, app alerts, and everything else. Trader is for the trade room and the morning live trading. And if you guys have questions, you know, you guys can see down below here, screen share right down in the bottom right. That's where you guys could contact us if you need anything. All right, I'm going to stay live on Zoom right now. If you guys want to come join us, and